how can we make smart children?
Uh, Firstly, when children uh, 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 when children after 6 months, children little bit understand all things. She she are he listening every listening everything and note and note what family member are doing. It's each time children are doing showing the smartness because these periods children listening power is very strong because they are not speak but seeing and hearing only they understand all things and they seeing the family members what all members are doing what families family member how talk with firstly depend on the parents how we are our children are smart firstly we want make a child uh, 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 when children understand a little thing, then we take some activities and taking some interesting showing interesting movies and books. Then children mind is very uh, creatives and we speak our children politely we understand everything is very politely and we give a proper education and we give a proper environment. So firstly children seeing our family member how our family member doing all things. So firstly children seeing and understand our family members its smartness automatically create some children are very god gifted because inside too much talented because so many children are very too much talented because dancing singing its creativity automatically started in a work. Then we seeing our children now. My daughter, I seeing she's very naughty. She doing all things. She going outside and doing another thing. So I seeing how my baby is very smart and she doing all things very easily. So I think it's still depend on the family members how we are our children's create a smartness, good education, good understanding, good, and everything. So actually, my daughter is a 1.5 only month when I standing in front of the mirror, I seeing a makeup. Then she easily yes, then she me no mama, I want a lipstick, I want this that. So it's she noticed me fully noticed me how mama apply lipstick, tilak and other thing how mama doing make a roti. So she quickly understand mama firstly take a dough and then after make a chapati. So I think firstly children seeing our family member and then automatically create every thing in his mind.
Right. Actually, when I saw some children, I came to know that they are followers. What do you do?
Yes, sir.
They follow that. And
Yes,
most
sir.
parents also complaining that my children are on mobile always, but they don't
Yes, sir. Yes.
sense that they are also on mobile. Because parents are on mobile, children are on mobile. That's it. If
Yes,
parents
sir.
get a book, children also get book.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we need to understand about the children. Parents are
Yes,
not
sir.
parents are not following good habits. How can children follow good
Yes,
habits?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that's what we need in our society. Parents needs to understand this one also.
Yes, sir. Sir, now when I doing a work, I give my phone my baby because so she seeing any thing, she seeing a cartoon like other English cartoon, but I know it's not a good habit. But when I seeing he learning a little bit in the phone, he understand how then children doing dance, she quickly stand up and doing like this. So some I feel very happy. My baby little bit learn something. So. When his grandmother, her grandmother doing the animals work, so she observing and going near to grandmothers and taking some grass, put out the cow. So a little bit things easily understanding and doing the how mama do this, how grandma do this. So most of the things I think children firstly learn all things our parents. So
Okay.
that's why.
Right, right.